Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. We are from Ijm Corporation Berhad Group, which consists of Mohammad Wafi, Mohammad Fadzly, Nurfaizal and Zairul Azri. We are going to analyze the financial state of the Ijm Corporation Berhad. This will include the evaluation of beta coefficient stock, the required return, growth rate, and the prediction price of its common stock. This section will briefly describe the company profile and the financial summary of the Ijm. Ijm Corporation Berhad is one of the Malaysian companies that have subsidiaries in 10 countries. The company and its subsidiaries are engaged in construction, property development, manufacturing and quarrying, hotel operations, tollway operations, port operations, plantation and investment holding. The subsidiaries include Ijm Construction Sdn Berhad, Ijm Investment Malaysia Limited and Ijm International Limited. Let us now look at Ijm Corporation Berhad income statement summary. By referring to investing.com, the financial statement of Ijm Corporation Berhad for 4 years from 2015 to 2018. You can see that the revenue has increased from 5.5 billion in 2015 to 6 billion in 2018, and the average gross margin per year is about 20.36%. Let us now look at balance sheet summary, and let's focus at quick ratio and current ratio of Ijm Corporation Berhad. Their quick ratio is about 0.75, while their current ratio is about 2.07. This ratio shows that they have a good working capital level and ensure that they can carry out their operations smoothly. Next, we will analyze Ijm Corporation Berhad stock beta coefficient. From the calculation, beta coefficient for Ijm Corporation Berhad is 0.24, which means it is less volatile than the market. Compared to the published beta coefficient by Yahoo Finance, which is 1.65, it shows that it is more volatile than the market. The reasons for the difference is due to the data are taken from different periods, and in this analysis, our data are from January 2014 to January 2018. In this section, we will calculate the required rate of return for Ijm Corporation Berhad by using the CAPM model. On the calculation, the required rate of return is 4.347%. By referring to Ijm website, the dividend are given to shareholder in May and November every year. Thus, based on the dividend calculation growth formula, the dividend growth rate for Ijm Corp Berhad is 2.1. However, in order to compare to the calculated growth rate, took the published growth rate for a company which is minus 14.33. Rates are considerably different. The reason behind this dissimilarity is that the dividend period in computing the growth rate are different. Here comes the next question. Predict the price of the common stock using models provided. Is the company maximizing the wealth of the shareholder? On the calculation, the predicted common stock price is minus 0.89. To discuss the difference between the actual and the calculated stock price, the period taken are from 2014 to 2017 only. On the table, the actual stock price are slightly different from the calculated stock price. This is because the actual stock price were determined by matching buy and sell orders. In other words, the actual stock prices reflect the investor's opinion. Meanwhile, the calculated stock price were determined based on the annual dividend. Thus, it is important to Ijm Corporation Berhad to take advantage on the buy and sell behavior. So, this is our conclusions. Based on the data, it is observed that the calculated data and the actual data are slightly different. The first reason is there are differences in period taken to calculate the data. Secondly, there are many ways in calculating the data. Thirdly, the actual data are determined according to behavior of the investor. Based on the calculated data, although Ijm Corporation Berhad actually doing all it can to maximize the wealth of the shareholder. However, the company have to be more reflexive on the market behavior because this can be a key factor in determining the success of the company. Thank you. That's all from Ijm Corporation Berhad Group.